We say that we are made of mind, body and soul. And I don't think that anyone actually questions this. Even today's medicine talks about psychosomatic illnesses, which means that if the psyche is sad or has a problem, it actually goes down to your physical body. But did you know that your soul is eternal, and that your soul is a multi-dimensional being? At least it is, at least on coming from the seventh dimension. At least this is how I look at it. It comes down to the earth plane into the third dimension, because this is the only dimension where we have physical body. Think about the second dimension, which is the plane, okay, which is like a drawing or like a painting. Think about cartoons. Cartoon figures have their lives, okay? We are often smiling and even laughing at them. They have their special rules, their special laws, so to speak. And when you treat one step further into the third dimension also has its special rules and customs. There are 3 laws of the third dimension which you need to keep at all costs. One is treating your physical body well, so don't destroy your physical body. The second, understand that the ego is very important when you want to exercise your will. And the third is that time cannot be turned back. Time is linear in the third dimension. If you understand these laws, and if you are willing to live and work with these laws, then you will be a happy person. On the other hand, your soul is multidimensional. So you might want to ask, why is this multi-dimensional being coming down to the earth plane? What makes it happy here? And the key is this, because the third dimension gives you a lot of happiness. And the main reason to be in the third dimension is to become happy, to be happy. Happy is not always what you consider happy today, because if you watch commercials, you think that if you have a fast car, or if you buy a bigger house, or if you buy another piece of jewelry, then this makes you happy. This is false. Happiness, to be happy, is to be content and to be at your own place at all times, and to try to have this contentment in all aspects of life. But the fact remains that the soul wants this, the soul craves this, and wants to come to the earth plane to achieve this. And it comes down with a plan, with a celestial blueprint, and this is your natal chart.